Estamos diciendo, salvemos a la madre tierra, ¡viva los pueblos originarios del mundo!
Tá do caralho, dá pra fazer churrasco de milho nesse churrasco.
About all the problems that you have since exploration of oil in Foz Amazonia, since a lot of laws that has been approved in the last years and these years, and now is the moment that we talk with a lot of people to an alternative way to build the world and necessity of being a eco-socialist society. So today is the moment that with people, originals from here, come to talk and express their indignation, their sadness. I don't know what other. Today we're expecting to show the world that the way that things are building today is not possible. We have to go to alternative way to build the society. I think that's it. The most powerful contradiction of this government and this moment that we were talking about greenwashing and talking about a fund that don't represent original people and don't represent Brazilian people. That's just financial speculation is not sufficient to solve the problems of nature or to solve the problem of global warming or the ambiental crisis. That's it.